Welcome, dear students, to the captivating realm of approaches to classroom management as we embark on a comprehensive journey through the methods and strategies of teaching. As dedicated educators, we recognize the critical role of classroom management in cultivating a productive learning atmosphere for both students and teachers alike. Throughout this course, we will delve into a multitude of approaches, techniques, and strategies utilized by educators to promote an environment of active participation, teamwork, and academic achievement. The first approach to classroom management is known as assertive approach. In this approach, teachers expect to specify rules of behavior and consequences for disobeying them and to communicate these rules and consequences clearly. The teacher confidently and decisively sets clear expectations, rules, and consequences for their students. The second approach is known as behavior modification approach. In this approach, the teacher employs system of reward and reduce likelihood of inappropriate behavior through punishment. Example: Student A is a model student who not only turns in assignments promptly, but also actively engages in class discussions and selflessly assists others. In return for his diligence, Student A receives tokens which he can then exchange for the coveted position of being the line leader for the day. On the other hand, Student B tends to disrupt group activities with his behavior. To address this issue, the teacher deducts tokens from Student B and works with him to come up with strategies for improvement. The next approach is known as business academic approach. In this approach, the teacher emphasizes the organization and management of students as they engage in academic work. The incorporation of the business academic approach transforms the classroom into an active and organized setting, reflecting the key elements of the business realm while simultaneously honing students' scholarly and hands-on abilities. The last approach in classroom management is also known as group managerial approach. This approach emphasizes the importance of responding immediately to group student behavior that might be inappropriate or undesirable in order to prevent problems rather than having to deal with them after they emerge. Let us consider this situation. While the students are actively working on their group projects, the teacher diligently moves about the classroom, closely observing their progress and interactions. In one particular group, two students appear to be engaging in frequent off-topic discussions, causing a disturbance for their classmates. With the intent of maintaining a productive learning environment, the teacher quickly intervenes by utilizing the group managerial approach to address the issue. Of the approaches to classroom management, which involves a variety of techniques and methods ranging simple rewards to elaborate reinforcement, example: praise or rewards. A. Behavioral modification approach. B. Group management approach. C. Business academic approach. D. Assertive approach. Correct. The answer is A. Behavioral modification approach. Which of the following best characterize the business academic approach in classroom management? A. Persist, enforce, don't give up. B. Calmness, consistency, confidence. C. Work, organization, procedures. D. Control, persistence, sanctions. Correct. The answer is C. Work, organization, procedures. Take note that business academic approach emphasizes the organization and management of students as they engage in academic work. What is the main goal of the assertive approach to managing the classroom? A. Permitting pupils to establish their own guidelines. B. Expecting students to specify rules and consequences. C. Disregarding improper conduct. D. Using arbitrary punishments. Correct. The answer is B. Expecting students to specify rules and consequences.